One really great resource for blacksmiths is used car coil springs. If you've got a friendly mechanic, they'll often give it to you for free or really cheap. I know a guy that just lets me dig through his scrap pile and get all sorts of springs, leaf springs too. They make great punches, chisels, monkey tools, rivet headers, all sorts of things. They deal really well with shocks. A chisel or a chasing tool, these things are great, and you can get them in all sorts of different diameters, and they basically give them away. So the first thing I like to do is just have a campfire and chuck them on and burn off all the paint and any just sort of nastiness, because I don't want to stick that in my forge. So I'll just let these burn off, and then next time I have my forge going, I'll stick them in and straighten them out. So for today, I'm just throwing them in the fire. So now all the powder coating and grease and just dirt and gunge has been cooked off by the fire. I've got the forge hot, and I'm just gonna throw this in there and heat it up. Okay, this should be about hot enough, so I'm just gonna pull it out, grab it by one end, bring it over, put it on the end of the horn, and just pull it out. All right, about halfway. What I'll do is I'll just straighten this out. I'll grab it by the coil end now. It'll be pretty hot, so I'm gonna glove up, and I'm just gonna quench the straight part. Just getting this cool enough that I can handle it. Yeah, so that's nice and cool now, and I'll stick it back in. Okay, so now it'll be easier to handle once I take it out, because I'll have this long cold part, and I'll just pull out the other side of it. While I'm waiting for this to heat up, I just want to say that if you're enjoying the video, likes and subscribes help the channel a lot, and we really appreciate it. Okay, this should be hot enough to go. So again, just gonna pull out the rest. It gets pretty noodly once it's really long. So just to get this end, just gonna bend it out with tongs. Back to the anvil and straighten it out. So I'll just let this cool off so I can handle it up here and finish the end. And I'll just hammer this last bit straight. I'm just gonna measure it. So that is 7 feet, a little over 2 meters of good high carbon steel that I can use for all sorts of things. Anyway, just a little tip I use. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time.